Welcome to another edition of Skills and Weighing Solution. I'm going to show you some do's and some don'ts when you actually manufacture, you put together a scale from our scale kits. Very important. I specifically make manuals for these things. And these manuals I make personally. The reason for this, so make sure people follow the procedures and they know how to assemble equipment. Drawing that shows you where the block is, how you mount the block to your frame, and the load cells. These particular manuals are not supplied by anybody else besides Skills and Weighing Solution, the Load Cell Depot. Many companies actually, they just sell the product without setting it up or testing it or add anything to it. It's an added value, obviously. When we actually manufacture a base, and that could be your cattle chute, your alleyway, anything, make sure when you install these equipment, do not weld after you install the blocks. See, these blocks that has thread inside of them, we supply this. This particular block would weld to your frame. So after you're done with the welding, that's when you're going to start installing the electrical parts. The welding should be done nicely. You weld this particular block, to your frame, not to the load cell on the other side. And the reason for that is because you shocking the load cell with the same ground and the same welding spot, and that load cell cannot handle that particular voltage. Bad installation like this is something that you would never do. Why? Because you destroyed the load cells that you installed on your frame. Now, another thing that I would like to point out, every single one of the load cells come with the foot already inside. If you take a look at it, there's an arrow on the load cell. It's an engraved arrow. That particular arrow points up towards the sky when it sits on a foot. You see the groove? The load cell has a groove. That groove is going to go towards this welding block that you have, that you mount to your frame. So don't be confused. When you put the scale together, you must know how to put it together. That's why I created these manuals. So you would see how to install it. After you put it together, any type of indicator that you picked with that particular scale kit, same thing. It's in the manual, how to calibrate it. I did the setup already. I did test it every single part. But don't make the mistakes. Don't make this mistake. If you do, you got to buy new load cells because you just blown every single one of them. Thank you for your time. This is Skills and Weighing Solution, the Load Cell Depot. Have a great day.